Let me show you how to enable picture-in-picture mode for any application on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11, also S11 Ultra. So first we simply have to go in the settings and then simply click on your apps. And then you have to simply click these three dots over here and click special access. And then select the picture-in-picture over here. And next over here, you simply have to find the app you basically want to enable the picture-in-picture mode or also disable it. So, and simply enable or disable it over here. For example, for YouTube, let's say. Also, if you want to enable the picture-in-picture for YouTube, for example, then also what you have to know, in some regions they have actually removed this function recently, or also switched it only on for the paid accounts. So if you have like subscription basically. So if you are wondering basically why you, for example, can't put up basically the picture-in-picture mode on YouTube essentially, so it actually plays even though you have basically closed the app. So again, you either do not have like paid account, so paid subscription, or also your region simply doesn't support that. So that is a new change for YouTube if you're wondering why still it's not working for you. So it's YouTube's own app, but again, on all other apps it will actually work once you enable there. Good luck.